ready to transform your space into a sanctuary of style and comfort. Join us as we dive into the world of blackout curtain design, where each idea promises not just darkness, but a canvas for your creativity. Whether you're into timeless elegance, modern chic, or vibrant hues, we've got blackout curtain designs that speak to every taste. Stay tuned for a curtain call that's more than just window dressing. It's a design revolution. Blackout curtain design IDs. Boho chic fringe. Add a bohemian touch to your blackout curtains with fringe detailing, bringing texture and a carefree vibe to your windows. 2. DIY Shibori art. Dive into the art of Shibori dyeing to create unique and mesmerizing patterns on your blackout curtains. Each fold and twist tells a story of creative velvet opulence. You'll embrace luxury with blackout curtains made from plush velvet. The rich texture adds opulence to your space while blocking out unwanted light. 4. Starry Night Glow. Infuse a celestial charm by adding glow-in-the-dark stars or constellations to your blackout curtains. Witness your room transform into a magical night sky. IFUT. Custom stencil designs. Get hands-on with custom stencils and paint to create personalized designs on your blackout curtains. Express your creativity with patterns that resonate with you. 6. Floral embroidery elegance. Elevate your curtains with delicate floral embroidery, bringing a touch of nature's beauty into your living space. 7. Intricate macramé accents into your blackout curtains for a chic and intricate design. This adds a touch of handmade artistry to your windows. Tropical vibes with palm prints of paradise by choosing blackout curtains adorned with palm leaf prints. Embrace the laid-back and refreshing ambience. 9. Bold stripes for impact and make a statement with bold, vertical stripes on your blackout curtains. This design choice adds height and drama to your windows. Tinge charm with lace insets a vintage allure by incorporating lace insets into your blackout curtains. This delicate touch adds a timeless elegance to your space. 11. Graffiti art. Inspirational your inner artist by embracing the graffiti art trend. Paint or print bold and expressive designs on your blackout curtains for an urban vibe. 12. Chic metallic embellishment. Introduce a touch of glamour with metallic embellishments or foil prints on your blackout. This design choice adds a hint of luxury to your windows. 13. Smart home integration. Explore blackout curtains with smart technology, allowing you to control light levels effortlessly with your smartphone or smart home devices. 14. Textured pleats for mention by incorporating textured pleats into your blackout curtains. This adds depth and visual interest to your window treatments. 15. Patchwork design by sewing together various fabric pieces to craft unique blackout curtains. This DI approach allows you to personalize your window coverings. Ready to dive into the world of blackout? Which idea sparks your creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other